till about there.
Yeah, he was about to there.
Yeah.
So on the way out, I accidentally kneed him and pushed him over.
Oh, really?
But no, it was an amazing experience, and he loves the AFL game, which was awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see what's in your bag.
All right, let's go through it.
And take us through what we're going to use today.
That's amazing. Now we've got some limes, but these limes are from an evil gang, so I've got blood limes. Yeah, okay. We've got some mascarpone. Yeah.
Mascarpone.
We've got some plums. Plums there for everyone. And to finish off, we've got some pork neck steaks.
Lovely from Vic's Meat. Beautiful work. Thank you so much for bringing them in.
I don't know what you can do with all those that I've heard, but we'll see what we can do.
I think we'll be okay.
Okay, great.
We'll work it out. Beautiful. Let's get on to meeting your partner in crime in the Green Kitchen, a man who recently tried to sneak into Buckingham Palace. Ooh. Please welcome Whipper! Here he comes!
You're supposed to run down there. Quick side note, mate.
Not catwalks.
Sorry, guys.
But anyway, we'll work it out later on the radio.
Mate, good news. I was just walking past had a green shirt on and I've just been to the supermarket.
Beautiful.
This worked out well.
You look fantastic too. Trim, taut, terrific.
Your words.
Now, what happened at the palace?
This was
tried to
great.
get in a cake?
Yeah, we did. We wanted to get as close as we could to the royal family before the wedding.
Yes.
So we thought, Fitzy and I had a giant birthday cake that we jumped out of.
Yes.
And the great news was that's a Union Jack G-string on and a bow tie.
Beautiful.
And then we got to the gate and I launched out because the timing was wrong. We were supposed to be inside before I jumped, but I jumped early.
Yeah.
You know, the joke was revealed.
Yes.
So we didn't get all the lights. We could see Buckingham Palace.
Really?
Where we were.
Wow.
So snipers could see him.